y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am out here on my patio and I have my pruners. We are going to be pruning this basil plant right here. I have let it go way too long and it actually has a blossom right here. It's starting to flower. So we're going to go ahead and prune it. I have not pruned it like this before. I've just picked off the leaves when I needed them, but I have not done it this way. So we're going to try it out. Alright, so this is the one with the bud on top of it, right there. Just gonna go down, all the way down right here where it has two sets of leaves coming out of each side, like that. And we're gonna go in at an angle. Hey, Ellie, you wanna hold this one? And then this one looks like we're gonna go right here. And right here. Those leaves look so bad right there. It's like right here. There. Just a second. I'm hoping that will help it out. It's been looking really droopy. I'm gonna cut off a couple of these leaves right here. Oh. Those ones were bad. You can see they're just like really thin and yellow looking. They just look like they've lost their color almost. Here's my little helper holding all that basil. There's a ton of it. What should we make with it, Ellie?
Strawberries.
Strawberries with it? That would be yummy. Alright, so I hope that helps my basil plant out. It was looking kind of sad. Maybe we'll make some pesto. Can you say pesto? Pesto. Alright, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye guys! Stick them all in there. Wow, that's a lot of basil, huh, Ellie?